Okay, so we're going to be building a keyboard with the Aura 75 from EPOMAKER. We're also going to be tape modding this keyboard, and we're going to be using Gateron Milky Pro version 2 switches, and these are just some random black keycaps off of Amazon. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so let's unbox this. We got two tabs right here. Pop that, and then we just pull up, and let's see what it looks like. This packaging is actually pretty nice. EPOMAKER, so, but we just got a little bit of a thing right there, but that's where the knob is, I'm pretty sure. Let's lift this out of here. This almost feels metal. There we go. This keyboard almost feels metal, but it's not. It's plastic. That's what it looks like. Got the little feet stands right there. Two levels. You got the short and the long with rubber pads on them. And then we got our switch for Windows, USB, and Mac. Leave it on Windows though. Oh shoot, I didn't even mean to do that. Alright. Well, there's the RGB. Hold on. That's what it looks like, kind of more in the dark. Don't know why that one's flashing. Don't know if that means that it's charging, or how do I turn this off? This little thing, when I click it, does that. And when I spin it. So, oh, got a little USB dongle right here. Didn't even notice that. Magnetic too. Okay, so we're gonna spin this baby over. And I wonder if you can open this up to even tape mod it. I don't think you can you? I feel like the screws are gonna be hidden, so, well, we'll see what it sounds like. Oh, we gotta see what other stuff we got. I'll see what it sounds like. I'm probably not gonna be able to do that. We got a switch puller and a nice braided cable, USB-C, and yeah, so let's get building it. Okay, and here are our switches. Gateron Milky Pro version 2s. Open these up. And that's what they look like. Alright, let's get installing these. So, we're going to look at the keyboard and find where the two that match up. So it's going to be these two right there. And we're just going to drop it in. Like that. And you'll see that already actually feels pretty good, but the Gateron logo is facing up right there. I forgot to mention, but these switches pre-lubed, and there's also 5 layers of dampening.
Hell no, boy!
Didn't anyone ever tell you that it's rude to ask a doll's age? Next.
Goo goo gaga.
And now we're going to be doing a sound test. So I'm not very good with keyboards, but I think this is more like a talky type deal. I would like it a little bit more poppy, but it's pretty good for me. Alright, and now we're going to go set it up. On my desk, I do want to use these first flip-ups. Then we're also going to take out the USB dongle and make sure that this is on USB mode. So we're going to flip it to in the middle, right there, USB. Shit. Screen record this because I don't really care that much about screen recording. But we are going to do a little bit of typing. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It feels amazing. I'm not the fastest typer, but at least it works great.